Hello there and welcome to UKLockpickers. This is the Sparrows competitor pick set and this is for our product description page. As you can see, if you're looking from our product description page right now, this is exactly what you will be purchasing. See, a canvas case. Inside, we've got a selection of rakes, onto the hooks, and then also in this set you also get some tension tools of various widths and various lengths of thicknesses. You get some that are straight and also with a twist, and the added bonus with this case is it also folds over into a workstation, so you'd fold it over here at the back, snap shut with the buttons, and there it folds over. And that's a competitor pick set. Thanks for watching, see you next time.